Serene Lux white noise sound machine with LED night light. Has an auto off sleep timer over here, 30, 60, or 90 minutes. It has adjustable volume with built-in soothing songs, as you could hear. It provides sound therapy for sleeping babies, kids, and adults. Its compact design can fit anywhere, and its elegant shape with wood and cloth finish adds a beautiful touch of decoration to any room. It has 29 various sounds like birds, wind, rain, fan, crane, even music, some kind like lullabies. It has LED light, timer function, and Type-C adapter. If you're looking for something to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, this device is probably what you need. I hope you like my little video, and I hope you like this little device. This is the packaging. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.